Hey artists! Today we are going to talk all about patterns. So a pattern is something that repeats. To repeat just means to do something over and over and over again. So just like the words I said over and over and over, I said them in a row, you can do that with pictures. So we are going to talk about how we can make art that shows a pattern. A lot of times you can see them already made in things like your clothes. So let's get some materials together and see what kind of patterns we can make. You can gather almost anything to make a pattern. I gathered some buttons, leaves, and shells to practice making some patterns with you today. First, I'll make a pattern using just buttons, because a pattern is anything that repeats over and over again. So if I keep putting down a button, I'm repeating myself. Button, 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 button. Now I can make it a little bit harder and add another item. So button and then a leaf. I want to repeat, so I will start with a button and then have a leaf because that's what came next in my pattern. And then I will repeat down the line. So a button, then a leaf, a button, and then a leaf. And now I have a pattern that goes button, leaf, button, leaf, button, leaf. Let's try another one that's even harder. I'm going to use all of my items. So button, leaf, and shell. I want to repeat, so I'll start with the beginning of my pattern. Button, then leaf, then shell. And then I need to repeat it again. So I'll find that first one again. Button, then leaf, then shell. So now my pattern goes button, leaf, shell, button, leaf, shell, button, leaf, shell. It repeats itself over and over again. Now it's your turn to see what kind of patterns you can make.